This all right. But where from this Brahma is emanating? That Parabrahma. Janmadasya jataha. Brahma is also emanating. Brahmanaham pratishtha. Everything Brahma is situated on Parabrahma. Therefore he is described as Param Dhama. Dhama means the platform. Just like we stand on the surface of the globe. So similarly there must be some standing. Just like the light is coming. Where from the light is coming? The standing is the lamp. If the lamp is broken, there is no more light. Similarly, the Brahma Jyoti, where from it is coming? Where is the source? The Brahma Jyoti, the impersonal Brahma Jyoti is not ultimate. Brahmeti, Paramatmeti, Bhagavaniti sabdate. Vadanti tattvavidastatyam jad jnanam adhyam. Brahmeti, Paramatmeti, Bhagavaniti sabdate. The absolute truth is one. Either you say Brahma or Paramatma or Bhagavan, but still there is a grades of realization. Brahma realization is impersonal realization. Paramatma realization is localized. And Bhagavan realization is the perfect, ultimate realization. Brahmeti, Paramatmeti, Bhagavan. The same example. Just like you are in the sunshine, there is also light. The darkness, it is not darkness. Similarly, those who have realized impersonal Brahma, that is also light. Those who have realized, localized Paramatma, Ishvara Sarvabhutana, the yogis realize Paramatma. Dhyanavastita tadgatena manasa pasyanti jam yogino. Yogi's business is, in meditation, to see Krishna within the heart. And the Jnanis, they realize impersonal feature, Brahma Jyoti. But the Bhaktas, they directly come to the original source of Brahma and Paramatma. Bhagavan, Ishvara Sarvabhutana, Riddesha Arjuna Tishtati, Ishvara has expanded in everyone's heart. And who is that Ishvara? Ishvara Parama Krishna. Ishvara Parama Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda, Sarvakarmakara. So if we understand Krishna and Krishna's energies, then we can realize the Vedic slogan, Sarvam Khalidam Brahma. But without understanding Krishna, it is not possible. Without understanding Krishna, there will fall down. Therefore we see so many impersonalists. They cannot give up their attachment for this material world. That is not possible. That is described in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Jannera vindakha vimukta manina tayyasta bhavad abhishuddha buddhaya. Anyone who has neglected your personality, Aravindakha, oh the lotus-eyed Krishna, Aravinda, je anne he Aravindakha, tayyasta bhavad. They cannot understand what you are. Your abhishuddha buddhaya. Their intelligence is still contaminated, not purified, abhishuddha. Then, what is the result? The result is, arujya kritchena parang padang tata. After severe austerities, penances, they may come to the impersonal understanding of your Brahma Jyoti. But patanti adha again comes to the material world. Therefore, the impersonalist, without understanding of Krishna, even very much advanced, they do not get any occupation. They come down again to the material platform, to open hospital, a school, college. Why? Because the impersonalist says that this material world is false. If the material world is false, why you come down again to the false platform to open schools and hospitals? That means arujyakrichena parang padang patanti adha anadita jusmadanga. Just like if you go very high with your aeroplane, just like they are trying to go to the moon planet, because they are not getting any shelter, they are coming back again. And if you are going to the moon planet, why you do not stay there? But they cannot stay. Similarly, the so-called Brahma realization, or Brahma, actual Brahma realization, that will not help. You must stay somewhere. That is the lotus feet of Krishna. Samasita jat padapallavang plabam. We have to take shelter. That is Krishna saying, paramam gunyam. You take shelter of my lotus feet. Sarvadharman parittajya mamekang saranang bhaja. That is Krishna's advice. Not Sarvadharman means there are so many systems of religion. But there any system of religion, if it does not lead you to the platform of devotional service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, that is defective. Therefore Bhagavad says, Savai pungsang paro dharma, jato bhakti radhokhaji. That is first class system of religion. What is that? Which teaches one how to become unalloyed, unflinching devotee of the Supreme Personality of God. That is first class. All others, they are defective. Sometimes they are described as cheating. That in the beginning of the Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said, Dharma projita koitava atra. Koitava means cheating. So anything going in the name of religion, but it is cheating, that is rejected here. Dharma projita. Projita means prakishta rupena ujjita. Just like you sweep with a broomstick, you cleanse all the dust, throw away. Similarly, in the Srimad Bhagavatam, in the beginning it is said that cheating type of religious system is completely swept away. Dharma projita koitavatra parama ninmasanana. Then for whom it is meant? For parama ninmasanana. Those who have achieved the stage of nirmasarata without any jealousy. Because the material disease is jealousy. I am jealous of you, you are jealous of me. This is the business here. Here, however I may be very great personality, but in the material affair, there are many instances. They become very, very jealous. That is material disease. Material disease means we are all jealous. Therefore, this Bhagavad Dharma, Krishna consciousness movement, is meant for Parama Nirma Sarana, who is not jealous. For him it is meant for. Parama Nirma Sarana. Mastava Bostu Vedamatra. These are described there. And actually, our jealousy begins from Krishna. Krishna is asking, Sarvadharman parittajya mamekang saranang bhaja. But I am jealous. Why shall I surrender to Krishna? Why? He is also as good as I am. Maybe a little learned. Avajananti manga mudha manasim tanua. Because he is asking, demanding your surrender. And I am thinking he is an ordinary man. So I am losing the chance. Avajananti manga mudha. So our jealousy business has begun from Krishna. Oh, why shall I accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality? Although in the Shastras, Krishna says personally, Matta paratarang nanna kinchijasti dhananjaya. There is no more superior truth than me. But you don't believe it, although you read Bhagavad Gita, but you don't accept Krishna's version. This is our disease, because jealous. Thank you very much.